Hey, it's Tracy. We're here at Massanutten, also called Western Slopes in Keezletown, Virginia. It's just outside Harrisonburg. All right, let's go check out the trails. Looks a little climby. This is Sutton Knob, Kaylors Knob. It's a double black diamond. I'm probably gonna be walking in a minute. I think we're going up. Oh, thank you.
Kaylors Knob is an exhilarating double black diamond trail that spans 1.5 miles. As we embarked on our journey from the south, we immediately found ourselves captivated by the breathtaking views of both the Shenandoah Valley to the west and the Blue Ridge Valley to the east. Traveling in this direction, we climbed a hard, rocky, at sometimes steep, 451 feet. While some parts required us to dismount and walk the bikes, it only added to the adventure of the ride. In retrospect, I can only imagine how much fun this trail would have been to descend. Oh well, probably next time. Also, it is worth noting that Kaylors Knob is a beloved hiking destination, so be mindful of hikers out there. If you'd like to learn a little bit about the history of Massanutten, check out my other video on mountain biking Massanutten Western Slopes.
Hi.
Where you want to go?
Right, the right, my right. Thank you.
Man, y'all look good.
Woo! Woo! Whew. Whew. All right, we're at the top of Kaylors? Kaylors Knob. It's a double black diamond. Kevin, what do you have to say for yourself dragging your wife up the uphill on a double black diamond?
Well, all I can say is we're soon to do the downhill on the double black diamond.
Okay, then she might be happy.
Or she may be even more upset.
That could happen too. You never know.
Upper Lairds downhill is a thrilling double black diamond descent. This trail can be ridden in either direction and is about a mile long. In retrospect, however, this would have been a much easier climb than Kaylors Knob. Anyway, when descending this trail, expect a scary fast downhill with some eroded sections, loose rocks, sharp corners, and exposed off-camber sections. Lots of fun. And for me, some walking.
Yep, I'll give you plenty of room.
This trail comes to a junction where you have 3 options. You can continue on 58 Lairds downhill, or take Layton's or Nostril. If you'd like to see Layton's or Nostril, check out my other Massanutten video.
Yeah. Ooh. Woo.
Make it.
Yep. Oh. Oh. Shit. I think my bars will hit. Yeah, they will hit.
Make sure you keep watching till the end to see the surprise I got at the end of my ride.
Yeah. Hoo, 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 hoo.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.